7 best kept secrets of being rich, what millionaires won't tell you. Success, as many have said, leaves clues. If you want to achieve amazing success in the upcoming year, study the experts, follow their lead, and adapt their strategies to your own circumstances. It's simple. Millionaires just know a few secrets that others haven't yet found out about how to become and stay a millionaire. However, we've managed to find a handful of them and are happy to share them with you. Here are 7 wealth-building tips that millionaires won't share with you. Number 1. Think of your money like a child. Okay, maybe not literally. Don't push it down the street in a stroller. However, you should still treat it somewhat like a child. Money is unable to manage itself. It needs assistance, direction, and a framework through which it grows. It yearns for discipline. You can't just let your child run on its own and hope that things will work out the way you want them to. Raising a child is similar to growing money. Give it your whole attention regularly. Number 2. Eliminate clutter. It won't be possible to build success and fortune if your life is a mess. Priorities must be set clearly for success, and dedication must be strong. Make life simpler, stop making excuses, get rid of anything that prevents you from achieving your most important goals. Number 3. Specify your results. Nobody is able to hit a target that they cannot see. Set clear, attainable targets and outcomes in advance. Understand what success means. Set measurable, precise goals for yourself and vow to fulfill them. Number 4. You can't spend what you don't see. Money really can burn a hole in your pocket. It's true. Get it out there and spend it if you want to put out the flame. That is why many 6-figure earners live paycheck to paycheck. They spend all they earn. Setting up automatic deductions from your salary not only keeps this money hidden from you, but also requires you to pay yourself on a regular basis. Millionaires recognize this fight and know that it is easier to conquer when it is out of sight, out of mind. Number 5. Making a plan for your money doesn't really guarantee much. Unfortunately, life doesn't give a damn about your plans and won't follow them. I can promise you that life will go on. Therefore, millionaires set themselves up to efficiently react to changing information rather than making plans for unpredictable coming events that are beyond their control. It's critical to have the ability to gather all of your financial data in one place and assess how actions will affect your whole financial life. Millionaires are aware that without this, it is impossible to make prudent financial judgments. Number 6. Burn your ships. A Greek general is said to have landed his soldiers on an enemy coast and set his ships afire in an old legend. He wanted it crystal clear that giving up and failing was not an option. Never give yourself room to fail. Number 7. Get rich gradually. Reducing your income while increasing your assets is the secret to great prosperity. Income is taxed. Think about all the yachts, vehicles, diamonds, and homes that individuals with large earnings like to buy. Well, that's all I got for you today. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.